Let's go! What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark Roden, and today we're going street drifting again. I know you guys don't really like the street drifting videos that much, but I love them, and I want to show you guys my progression, every step of my street drifting progression. So, and oh my lordy, lord. And as always, we are here with whoa, they're right there. Eric Buddha at Eric_Buddha and Eric Buddha on YouTube. At Zach St. John, at Anti-Yada on Instagram, and what in the monkey's uncle? What? Let's go! Where's Chris at? Look at Chris, man. So inspirational. That's Chris DeAngelis. And then we got Ben Shapiro, yep. But yeah, we're here. We're gonna go street drifting. Ben said he wanted to really bad, so
dude, this thing makes
I guess Ben's all like, yeah, I'm gonna rip the e-brake on Stillwater, and we're gonna be ripping it. So that's
drifting that whole road on your own.
Oh yeah, easily.
Start to finish, non-stream. Yo, give me a little tap.
Hey yo, that sounds nice, bud. Ben just installed his supercharger, so.
Like him happy at first.
Yo, Chris.
Why don't
appreciate it, brother. I didn't know you put this puppy on there. That looks sick.
I just need a clamp.
Chris put a banner on his car. I love that. Anyway.
I'd copyright infringe him, honestly. Like, sue the shit out of
his pants were falling. Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, we're going street drifting today. Alright, so now we're heading out to the first spot.
Are you taking this thing wheeling?
No, we're not taking it.
Stuck?
Yeah, actually I did. I got stuck in my driveway this morning because it was all, look at the filth on the back, boys. I got stuck in my driveway because I parked in the grass.
Alright, I'm hopping in, Mark.
It was all muddy. Chris, drive your own car. Yeah, we got Chris coming now.
Mark,
he's going.
Where are we going?
I don't know. I'm following them. But yeah, we're going to the first spot. We got Eric, Chris, Ben, Zach. We got the whole squad out here today, son.
No.
All right, boys. So we showed up at the first spot, but there was some old people over there that was looking at us a little iffy. We don't know what their deal is, but we're gonna drift it anyway. Zach has to leave in like 45 minutes, so he's going first. But look at the lineup, boys. Ben's all the way over here, but like, dude, Ben's E46, hardest in Torrington. You're the hardest in Torrington. You're E46. The M-stop front bumper really completes it. It does.
So your work has to hook it up with some steel blue.
Steel blue? They probably would, but it's gonna cost you a steel arm and leg. Oh, you gotta paint these puppies steel blue while you're at it.
No.
This is more cozy than the SC I was in yesterday.
There goes Miata, man. The Miata Maestro. Break loose. Stop. Go. Don't go. There's a fiend over there. He's gonna try and cause trouble. But alright, he's gone now. He's gone now, baby. Go for it, you wild Banshee. There we go. Oh boy, almost hit that pole. He has to, yeah, I don't know what he has to do. He's gotta, it's not breaking loose. Where did Ben just come from? He just came out of the woods.
What's happening?
What's going on with it?
Stir it out and then catch it, and that's kind of has to be your dance, is like throwing it in, flicking it out, throwing it in, flicking it out, because you don't have the powers to. That's what I'm thinking your best bet is. Because as soon as I told you,
Something's happening. It's not doing it. It's not like, it's not flinging it out. He keeps catching. All right, now we're in the car, baby.
was better.
That was, you were cutting it up that time. He was.
One more.
One more. So sketchy when you don't see belt. Good job, Zach. That
Adrenaline's bumping.
that second one was a little scary. You kept it.
Way better.
Way better.
I could tell it clicked right there, like you're doing.
And I'm not getting
No, it
thrown
was
around.
smooth. It was
Yeah.
smooth. And I didn't expect that transition. I thought you were gonna pull that figure eight for sure. If you
Yeah.
I think if you gave it more gas,
I get
threw
fucked
more-
up.
Dude was mangying down this whole way.
My what? You guys got outside clips in the second one?
That was good. You got the hang of it real fast there. So scary being in that car though, because it's, first of all, so twitchy, and second, it's like so quick, so it flings you around. Eric is an actual drifter. Good stuff, Eric, man. Eric's nice with it. Nice.
Yeah, he's going for a figure eight.
Oh, okay. Hard. Yeah, no. There we go. There we go.
Fire!
You're retired. Dude, that was nice. That was
Hell yeah.
nice.
It felt good.
That was
getting so
awesome.
shaky.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, good.
Like out the window.
I saw that. Yeah.
Quick run.
Yeah. Hell yeah. This man is nice. Hey, Eric. Nice one.
Did it work?
I'm fantastic. It's always a good day when we go out street drifting. Dude, it's so nice. You're so good with it. It feels so smooth. You're like calm in it.
Yeah, I'm trying to e-brake that transition. If you want, I'll take it for one more real quick.
I'm
Chris
sorry.
went for two, I'll go for two.
I'm down. I'm so down.
Alright. Get it. Oh, not bad, not bad. I can't wait for Thompson, bro.
When is Thompson? Oh, like in November, you said?
Oh, you know, they have my phone. I want to listen to music.
I would have been demonetized. Yes, sir! I lost my hat in that one. Nice. Make sure BDC's also doesn't lock up like it always does.
We be in the takeover, boys.
Yeah, low key, high key. him at that time.
Hell yeah, bro. Yo, dude, that was cherry. Is he backing in? He's backing in. Dude, that was nice, dude. I liked hearing the throttle management and the counters, dude. That was nice.
Exactly what
You know what I love? Like when you could see it click while they're driving. That's like the most amazing. Hell yeah,
I
dude.
started swinging it, and then I immediately I noticed this point, and I was like, wait a minute, this is perfect. I just started, dude, we're going.
Yeah, dude, my boy was shredding.
I stuck my head out the window for 3 seconds.
Yeah, we could probably skeet in a few.
Yeah, I mean, I promised Ben 1 lap, so.
That one felt amazing, boys. I'll put Eric's clip in too, but that one felt good inside. I was. Yeah, burn those bitches. Yeah, I really just want to see an E46 swing it, but these two are all.
I gotta wait.
What?
I gotta wait.
I think we're leaving now because Zach has to go somewhere and he's a big poopy brain, but it's okay. On Halloween too. Zach's a hater.
Dude, we're getting trick-or-treated. Like we're going to get candy pretty much.
Oh.
No, I see what you're saying. Yeah,
We're going?
They're good, but look at it. You got
Oh,
like
the outside's like weird.
yeah, you got like flaps
Flaps,
on.
yeah. I was looking in the mirror, I saw them flying off.
Oh, oh yeah, actually you're missing a couple in the back.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Alright boys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Just another day street drifting with the boys. It's actually Halloween. It's actually Halloween, so happy Halloween. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. And yeah, that's Danya. Have a nice night.